Hello, Argos. Do you know that the concept of networking has existed for ages and it's really cost nothing to be implemented? Yet, it is one of the most frustrating aspects of career development for people of all industries and ages. Today, I am here to help you with tips to establish a long-lasting and successful network as you start your career journey. Tip number 1, fix your mindset. Many early careerists think the act of reaching out to people is needy. Honestly, that is not the case. Have you wondered why you accept friend requests on social media and even in person without analyzing deeply the friend request? It's simple because it feels nice to be asked and nicer to accept. Same way expanding your network is for mutual growth and development. Learn to engage with others even if it means self-promotion. Tip number 2, get comfortable taking micro risk. While asking someone to connect with you via LinkedIn or any other social media platform might mean taking a risk, there is no downside. It's true that you might never hear from them, but what if you do? Just be patient. Do not expect immediate response as people pay attention to little things. Tip number 3, build habits. Take small steps and positive actions to build your network. Invest time to regularly focus on building your network. Here are some of the habits to build. Connect with your tribe. Always let people know that you still think about them and that you care. Call people and ask them about their career journey. Learn to say thank you throughout your job search process. And if you connect with someone, do not wait to follow up. Reach out within the next 24 hours. Also, skim directories of alumni, yearbooks, and conference programs to recall names. Do not connect yourself to people only of higher status than you, but find people with similar situations to you and connect with each other. Send congratulations, birthday messages, and personalized notes. Do not reach out only when you are in need. Do not limit yourself only to online connection. You can connect yourself with people around you by sharing a meal, taking off your headphone to listen, and chat whilst on your way home. And finally, do not connect solely for your benefit. Find ways and means to help each other and add value to your relationship. I hope this helps everyone. Thank you and stay safe.